Battle of the Tissues. Today's contestants are
Catherine.
Ayane.
Are you guys ready to test your knowledge on the human body's building blocks?
Yes.
We'll see about that. Our categories today are epithelial tissues, connective tissue, muscle and nervous tissues, and junctions and glands. Let's start the game. Round 1, epithelial tissue. For 100 points, this tissue covers the body's surfaces, lines cavities, and forms glands. It's tightly packed, cellular, and rests on basement membranes, and it's avascular.
What is epithelial tissue?
Correct. It protects, secretes, and absorbs as its function. Its close-packed cells form protective barriers and specialized structures like glands. For 200 points, it's a single layer of flat cells that allow for rapid diffusion in places like lungs and blood vessels.
What is simple squamous epithelium?
Exactly. Its thin shape allows gases to pass easily. For 300 points, stratified epithelium can be keratinized or non-keratinized. What's the difference?
Keratinized has a tough surface layer that prevents water loss like in skin. Non-keratinized surfaces stay moist and flexible, which is best for wet internal areas such as in mouth or esophagus.
Perfect. Both protect against friction and are multi-layered for durability. Round 2, connective tissue. For 100 points, it's the most abundant and variable tissue in the body, with cells, fibers, and ground substance making up its matrix.
What is connective tissue?
Right. It supports, binds, and protects organs from bone to blood. For 200 points, this type of connective tissue stores energy and insulates the body. Why do the cells look empty under the microscope?
That's adipose tissue. The fat pushes the nucleus to the side, so it looks like a thin ring. It almost looks like simple squamous cells, but they are not the same.
Excellent. The large vacuole stores a great energy reserve. For 300 points, what's the structural difference between dense regular and dense irregular connective tissue, and how does that affect their function?
Dense regular has collagen fibers running parallel, providing tensile strength in one direction like tendons. Dense irregular has randomly arranged fibers, giving strength in multiple directions like in the dermis.
Excellent explanation. Orientation equals function. Round 3, muscle and nervous tissue. For 100 points, this muscle is voluntary, striated, and multinucleated.
What is skeletal muscle?
Right. The multiple nuclei help their large size and support their metabolic demands. For 200 points, compare the structure and function of cardiac muscle and smooth muscle.
Cardiac muscle is striated, branched, and has intercalated discs that coordinate contractions. It's involuntary and found only in the heart. Smooth muscle is non-striated, spindle-shaped, and also involuntary, moving materials through organs like the intestines and blood vessels.
Perfect comparison. Cardiac muscle pumps, smooth muscle propels. For 300 points, nervous tissue contains neurons and supporting cells. Describe how the structure of a neuron supports its function.
Neurons have long axons to send electrical signals across long distances, dendrites to receive input, and a cell body that processes information. This structure allows rapid communication throughout the body.
Exactly. Neurons are built for speed and connectivity. Bonus for 400 points. Why is nervous and muscle tissue highly vascular compared to epithelial tissue?
Because they need a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to support high metabolic activity for contraction and signal transmission.
Right on target. They're energy-demanding tissues. Round 4, junctions and glands. For 100 points, these junctions act like a patch, holding cells tightly together in areas like the skin and heart.
What are desmosomes?
Correct. They prevent tissues from tearing apart under stress. For 200 points, these junctions are rings of transmembrane protein that form water-filled channels and allow ions and small molecules to pass directly from one cell to another. They are essential for heart contractions.
What are gap junctions?
Yes, they're like little tunnels for communication between cells. For 200 points, compare endocrine and exocrine glands.
Endocrine glands secrete hormones into the bloodstream, while exocrine glands use ducts to send substances like sweat or saliva to the body's surfaces.
Perfect answer. Endocrine is inside the bloodstream. Exocrine is outside, usually through ducts. Last question. For 400 points, compare merocrine, apocrine, and holocrine gland secretion methods.
Merocrine glands release products by exocytosis, like sweat glands. Apocrine glands also use exocytosis, but appear to lose part of the cytoplasm, like mammary glands. And the holocrine glands disintegrate their entire cells to release contents like sebaceous oil glands.
Fantastic answer. Secretion methods match each gland's purpose. That's the end of Anatomy Jeopardy! Final scores: player 1, 1,300, player 2, 1,300. It's a tie!
Guess we both know our tissues pretty well.
Yeah, we're totally connected, like desmosomes.
Nice one! Thanks for watching Anatomy Jeopardy! Battle of the Tissues. Tune in again for the next edition.